Hey everyone, thought I'd do a quick tool haul for the month. Got a couple things, didn't go overboard. We'll go over the ratchets real quick. This here's a Tekton 1/2-inch drive, and part number there. Nice little 1/2-inch drive ratchet there. And here I got the Cornwell ball detent flex head, 72 tooth, part number, 3/8 drive flex head. Seems like a nice piece. When it bothers me, just my OCD, doesn't quite go back to zero, so to speak. Still has a little lean to it, but that's fine. So here's Tekton quarter drive, and part number for that. Tekton 3/8 drive stubby, the part number on that. Then I got this little Titan, got it from AutoZone, I believe. Little stubby, tiny guy, 1/4-inch drive. And I'll post a video about that, the bearing race seal driver. This here I got off the Cornwell truck. It was on sale last month. It's technically this month still, but it's a coil tester. It'll test the voltage of, well, not the voltage, but it'll check that a coil has fire on a coil ignition system. And I got this OEM spark plugs spark checker. I got that from AutoZone too. I just want to have a couple ignition tools. Another thing from AutoZone is this Titan set of pistol grip needle nose. Been wanting a set of these. Finally got them. Didn't really care from what brand, but I got them now. I got these flush cut Knipex. I believe they're the 7.5, 6-inch. And I got these Lisle scrapers. Matco rebrands these for almost double the price. Brand don't bother me as much as the tool itself. It's got that brazed carbide tip on there. I picked those up. And Motive X, big box. But what we got in here is universal no spill funnel. Here's the funnel part, the other half of the funnel, and then it's got the clamp that goes inside your fill cap. Got a little trigger on it. Squeeze it, stick it in, let go, and holds it there so you won't spill. Get all that put back in the box here. Get you guys the part number off of that. There's that right there. But that's my little tool haul for the month. Along with, you can see the rhino lining looks real good, or the raptor lining, excuse me. Got that nice little satin sheen, brings out the tools a little bit better. But that's all I got, guys. Till next time, y'all be safe. See ya.